This is defendant's application in revision arising out of a suit filed by the plaintiff opposite party for ejectment of the defendant applicant from a shop and for recovery of rent and damages. Full stop. According to the plaintiff opposite party, the disputed shop was constructed in 1965 and hence UP Act 3 of 1947 and UP Act 13 of 1972 were not applicable to it. Full stop. The defendant applicant inter alia contested the suit on the ground that the disputed shop was a very old shop and was fully covered by the provisions of the aforesaid two acts. Full stop. On behalf of the plaintiff opposite party, he gave his own statement and in cross-examination, one of the questions put to him was as to whether he maintained regular books of account, and to that his answer was in the affirmative. Full stop. Thereat an application was given on behalf of the defendant applicant for directing the plaintiff opposite party to file his books of account for 1960 to 1966. Full stop. The books were required to be produced were the rent receipt by and books of his business. Full stop. On that application, the following order was made on 12/10/1973. Full stop. Stanza. Adjourned to 19/10/1973. Full stop. Plaintiff to produce by khatas of the years 1960 to 1966 in which the income of the shops etc. has been recorded. Full stop. The defendant to pay ₹10 as costs for 2 days adjournment. Full stop. Stanza. The plaintiff opposite party brought the books as directed and gave the information of the same to the court. Full stop. Thereupon an application was given by the defendant applicant on 16/11/1973 under order 11 rules 15 to 18 CPC for permission to inspect those books with a view to find out whether those books were genuine or fictitious and take further steps as required. Full stop. That application was rejected by the trial court and the reasons given were that the court had never given permission to the defendant to inspect the books and further as required by order 11 rules 15 to 18 the other party could have been allowed to inspect the documents only if the party producing them relied on the same in pleadings or affidavits. Full stop. In the instant case, the plaintiff had not relied on the bhai khatas and the factum of their existence had come only in cross examination of the plaintiff. Full stop. It was also found that the notice had not been given in proper forum. Full stop. Stanza. Being aggrieved, a revision application was filed by the defendant before district judge. Stop.